Welcome! In this video, our partner from DWC, Max Lucas, will guide you through implementing Usercentrics server-side tagging, from setting up your containers to enabling data flow and consent integration using server-side GTM. Before we get started, make sure you've created an account using your email address or sign up with one of the available services. Let's get started.
Start by creating your server container in the Google Tag Manager interface. Select the container configuration code from admin install Google Tag Manager and copy it. Head over to Usercentrics and create a new SST container with the config that you've copied from your configuration, from your Google Tag Manager configuration. Connect your own domain to make sure that preview mode and data collection is working as expected. Then, if you're done with it, head over to the documentation, download the client template, and use it to create the Usercentrics client on the Server Tag Manager container in the Google Tag Manager admin interface. Create it as described. Set the delivery method to event data plus cookie to make sure that consent choices are respected all the time. After you're done with that, set up the GA4 and GTM web container client as documented in the Google documentation or in this course. Make sure that you have added your client Tag Manager IDs in the allowed container IDs list. Otherwise, your web Tag Manager, so the client Tag Manager, won't be loaded as expected. If this is working, add some transformations if needed. For example, if you want to remove the user IP or other browser information or something else, and set up the tags according to your needs. You will have at least one tag for Google Analytics, as well as several additional tags, for example, for Google Ads, Facebook, Pinterest, or whatever. Make sure that these tags have the correct triggers, as well as the correct exception triggers. Especially the consent exception should be working as expected. Make sure that, for example, the Google Ads tag is not triggered without proper user consent. Use the preview mode to validate your setup and try to understand which tags are being triggered and which not, and why they are triggered or why they not.
That's it. You've successfully implemented Usercentrics server-side tagging. To learn more about Usercentrics server-side tagging, visit our documentation, or better yet, enroll in our free online course about server-side tagging and gain your server-side tagging certificate today.